Well, two of my favorites are coming together for this really fun springtime DIY. Enter pom-poms and faux floral. So this Kansas City mama, Andrea Krasnow, is actually going to show us how we can use pom-poms to incorporate into a flower arrangement.
First of all, you're going to need a pom-pom maker. These are super easy to find. You can get them at a craft store or you can get them online. Some of the other things you're going to need are scissors. You're going to need, I'm using 22 gauge floral wire, but you can use something smaller or larger depending on what you're wanting to do with the end of your project. And then a vase or something that you're going to display them in. Oh, and last but not least, any type of crochet yarn. I've already gotten started on my beginning of the pom-pom. So you're going to wrap your pom-pom yarn 3 times around the little case on each side. So like I said, I've already gotten started. I'm gonna flip it over. You're gonna open up your pom-pom maker and you're gonna see that you have 2 pieces. This is just going to create the fluffiness, but you want to keep it together. You're going to take the end of your yarn that you've got left over from this side that you made, and you're just gonna start wrapping. So you're gonna wrap, like I said, 3 times around. Make sure that you kind of cover up the plastic. What you're doing is just trying to create a really puffy pom-pom. So here we are on 2. We're gonna go back around on 3. And once you get to the end, you're going to close your pom-pom maker. So you have both ends completely encased in the plastic. You're gonna let this piece go because it's all enclosed in this little house. But right in here is kind of a groove, if you will. And I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna go all along this groove and cut my yarn in half. And if you have a pair of scissors that are smaller in blade, that works too. And then you're gonna flip it around. So see, you have half. You're gonna flip it around and you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side of your pom-pom maker. So here you go. You have part of your pom-pom started. Do not let go of this case. Don't open it or anything like that. Simply pull the string. You're going to run it along that same groove inside your pom-pom maker. Okay, you're gonna bring it up around and then you're going to tie just a knot. You're gonna bring it down in and you're gonna pull as tight as you can because you're really trying to secure that pom-pom inside the maker. Bring it around and make a knot. And again, you're gonna pull as tight as you can. Okay, so now is the fun part. You're gonna take off the casing, just like that. Take your other end, pull it out. You've got your pom-pom. Okay, now you're gonna have little strings. You're just gonna go ahead and pull those out. This is part of the knot. See, here's like the extra string. This is from when you were making your pom-pom. Now you've got where you had the knot. You're gonna take your scissors and you're just gonna cut. Now, it's gonna look kind of funny like this. What you're gonna wanna do is trim it up. So just go along your pom-pom because what you're gonna wanna do is make it as tight and as fluffy as you can. And when you think you have it about where you want it and fluffiness and things like that, you take your pom-pom, you take your 22 gauge wire, you simply run your pom-pom, find a piece where the center wasn't knotted, and you're going to take your pom-pom, stick it on the end, fluff it up a little bit, and then you're gonna just stick it inside your little floral arrangement. And there you go. Your cute little pom-pom faux floral for spring. And like I said, it's super easy. You can make all of these fun ones. You can do a little ombre, you can do a fun mix of colors, and make them as large or as small as you want. And that's it. There you go. Your DIY faux floral pom-pom.
Well, those faux floral poms are so cute and so much fun, and that color scheme reminds me of something out of a Dr. Seuss book. Bill?